Welcome to the Powder Coater Podcast's first ever forum live stream. Join our 6 panelists as they share invaluable insights, strategies, and anecdotes, offering a wealth of knowledge on what it's like to be a custom coder. Today, it's about coders helping coders, as your $10 donation will continue to help a fellow coder recovering from a devastating loss. So thank you. We gather together to share a multifaceted journey of personal and professional growth in the face of adversity. Our seasoned industry experts are ready to delve into the complexities of learning powder coating, overcoming work challenges, and expertly managing customer expectations. Let's get ready to level up your powder coater game.